Good morning everyone and welcome back to a new video here on Let's Walk Around Stockholm. Another day, another walk, you know it, yes! It is Monday morning, rise and shine. I hope everyone had a fantastic weekend and we are looking at one of the most iconic buildings in Stockholm. Central Station, aka Centralstation. Basically the main entrance here of everything we call Central, Centralen, T-Centralen, Centralstation. It has many names, but it's all the same building, connecting all of that, going under and even to the other side, the bus terminal. But that's not really where we're going. I am going straight ahead here. I think this street is called Klara. This is maybe Klara Viadukten, I'm not even sure. Klara Gatan, something like that, I'm not really sure. And on that side we have the World Trade Center, City Terminalen, and yeah, all kind of stuff. Many different buildings, but they're all connected. Anyways, yeah, what's up chat gang? Hope you're all doing great. I'm in a good mood today. Just cruising around downtown Stockholm, walk 500 and... what are we at? 513? I think so. The number is becoming pretty high. 513 walks. That's even impressive for me, to be honest. Just wandering around Stockholm. And the thing is, Stockholm is not that big, right? It's not like it's New York or Tokyo where you have like unlimited amount of space to walk, but konstigt nog, as we say in Swedish, I still find ways to entertain myself, and I hope you guys as well. And it feels like it because the channel is growing. There's new subscribers coming. We had like 200 new ones this month, so it feels nice. And I guess it's different people as well all the time, so although it's not new for me, it's maybe new for you. So yeah, this is the upper floor here of Central Station. We'll just keep on going. And here is quite nice, like in the distance there, in the fog, you can see the towers and Vasastan. I always forget the name of those towers. People help me out. If Olaf would be here, he would know. Ah well, it's all good. Klarabergsviadukten, that's how it's called. And this is Nils Eriksson's plan. You get the Radisson Waterfront Hotel. Nice, nice. Today's walk will be a short one. But at first I didn't plan to actually upload one, but then I was like, well, Daniel, you gotta go in town anyway, so you might as well film it. We got the 7-Eleven across the street. So 7-Eleven does exist in Sweden, and I guess there's quite a few of them. But it's not the number one convenience store in Sweden. The number one is Pressbyrån, which is basically like a news agent. Although, you know, they don't sell so many magazines anymore and stuff like that. It's mainly drinks and food and things like that, so yeah. Klara Strand, the other side over there. And here we've got one of the most iconic, no, not one of the most iconic, the most iconic building in Stockholm. You know, the City Hall, Stadshuset. Oh, excuse me. I had to burp. That wasn't very polite. You know what the weird thing is? As a result of me having my YouTube channel, walking around Stockholm, talking non-stop in front of a camera, I sometimes mix up reality and what's on video. This sounds really weird. You're probably thinking, Daniel, have you gone mental? Kind of, yes. So what happens is that I got so used of walking and talking at the same time in a descriptive way that I start to do it as well in my daily life. So when I started my channel, I have to explain this properly. It was a bit weird for me to walk and talk, right? That's something you have to learn. And then you have to start to learn to talk in a way as you think. So for example, I'm standing here, right? And normally I would not say, oh look, a sign that says Nynäshamn. But now, that's exactly what I do. So I see something, and instead of thinking it, I'm saying it, right? So now I would say, oh look, this Stadshuset looks so wonderful. But that's normally not a phrase that you would say in daily life. You would think it. Except if you're with a friend, then maybe you talk about it. But now it's gone so far that in my normal life, I'm just walking, sometimes completely by myself, and I say out loud, just in the middle of the street, oh, I think I should take a left here. So I'm starting to do this even without a camera, which is really weird. So sometimes I see people looking at me, and they're like, okay, why is this dude talking to himself? So yeah, I'm starting to talk to myself as am I describing what I'm seeing, which is really weird. And I gotta stop doing that. But yeah, after 500 walks, which 400 non-stop talking, it became a habit. So yeah, am I going crazy? Yeah, probably, maybe a little bit. Yeah, a little bit maybe. Not gonna lie. But so good, there's worse things in life, right? So yeah, what's this called? Pilträdet Servicehus. So I'm not sure if I should take a left here. Yeah, it feels like it. Let's go in here. I've been here once before, because I remember I was pointing out the restaurant over there. Serafimer Gränd. I like this entrance, it looks nice. So as I said, not a super long walk today, because I have a few things to do, and I gotta work, and etc, etc. So yeah, that's not open long, is it? Nordic Scandinavian, no, Nordic organic fast food. It's open only 11 to 2, that's not much. So, nice little, how would I describe it? Maybe like a courtyard kind of thing. Hey, stairs. Ooh, stairs. Nice, what's here? Actually, this looks nicer here. So I think over there is Hantverkargatan. Well, I hear the fire brigade in the background, so there's a fire somewhere. Okay, question for the chat gang. Does the fire brigade sound like this in your country, or does it sound different in every country? I'm not even sure. Oh wow, what's this? What's happening here? Some mysterious chairs. Oh, not chairs, stairs. Let's go this way. So yeah, I actually have to go to Hantverkargatan, that's why I'm walking here. So I'm kind of finding my way at the same time as I'm doing a walk. Oh, this is a nice mature tree, look at this. I feel quite rested today. Like on Friday, Saturday, it felt like I was gonna get a bit sick. You know how it sometimes feels in your body when you just get a bit, this is a good word of the day, segt. Man känner sig segt. It means like you feel a bit slow. So sometimes you have this feeling just before you get sick or ill, or how you want to call it. Oh no, it's nice, you can. But yeah, it didn't, it didn't push through, or however you want to call it. So yeah. Anyways, it's time to round up the video because I'm already here where I actually want to go. Maybe we can finish up the video over there and just check it out across the street. So yeah, sorry for the very short video. Not less fun though. Still enjoying it. Kungliga myntet. Samuel what? Owens gata. Oh, a lion. Oh, I'm gonna take a picture of this again. You know, I'm becoming a pro now in pictures. I can do this now. Up. So yeah, speaking about pictures, these pictures I take from my Instagram. So go and check it out. I'm always at 1,000 followers on Instagram, so it would be nice if we can grow it a little bit. Let's walk _around. Not a very creative name, I know. Let me check this out. Kungliga myntet. Kungliga myntet is situated in central Stockholm. Today the block consists mainly of offices. Over the years, however, it's been home to a number of significant industries, including the Royal Swedish Mint, which once produced all Swedish coins and gave the block its name. Alright, so that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this little walk. Tomorrow we're back with a longer walk, because then my friend Olof is back at it. So see you all tomorrow. I give you a thumbs up and I hope you leave me a thumbs up as well. Bye bye.